Presenting first off tonight, Miles Ragusa singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above so real so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Great job. And the second performance tonight. Oh. Good job. Okay, the second performance tonight, Gabriella Rain Ragusa.
My beauty box forever. Here's the angel, here's the top. Well, you'll see that really top. This is for me up.
Very nice.
Both of us.
Now we're going to do one more performance tonight. We're going to bring both of our performers out. First, Miles Ragusa from Lake Charles, Louisiana, and his sister, Gabriella Ragusa.
Listen to the next kick your butt. Shake your arms, jump up and down, smile and dance, dance.
And bow. And curtsy.
Thank you.
Very nice.